Here he comes. He walks around like he owns the place and wants to be included in everything. We have our own little language.
He'll try to find me wherever I go. I work from home, so he'll be on my shoulder and no one will know. I couldn't imagine not having him by my side. He's very attached to me and me only.
I was probably more nervous to meet Dusty than I was to meet any of her family.
Hello, sir. I'd like to date you.
It didn't go well. No.
If you want to date me, the bird comes with me.
No. I wanted him to like me, but he wouldn't budge.
He's like all business.
Just love me. Just love me. Just love me. I didn't know what to do.
Oh, now you're gonna play the injured bird
my
card.
baby.
Play the injured bird. I was focused on making the best impression with the bird. One day, you realized Carrie can't whistle. I'm like, all right, let's see if he's gonna be affectionate. Start whistling. He slowly has started to mimic. The longer I whistle, the longer I know he won't attack me.
They have a little routine.
I was like, I can't believe this is happening.
We've grown over time. A little bit. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to be with somebody. Seeing Carrie happy makes me happy.
It doesn't hurt to have a little garden bird around. The bird is priority one.